While the current ratio gives you a great high-level look at your liquid assets, sometimes it can mask underlying issues if too much of your cash is tied up in slow-moving inventory. If you want to check your absolute strict liquidity, you need the quick ratio, often called the acid test ratio. It strips out inventory entirely and compares only your most liquid assets against your short-term liabilities. Today, I'm going to show you how to design and add a dedicated quick ratio chart straight to your Performance Center interface so you can view your true short-term coverage at a glance. Let's jump right in. To find your visual tracking workspace, look over at your left-hand navigation bar and click directly on the main Reports menu. From there, head straight into your Custom Reports tab at the top, scroll down through your available modules, and select Performance Center to pull up your Graphics Hub. Once your Visualization Hub loads, head over to the top right header area of the grid and click the green Add New Chart button. This initializes our configuration wizard where we can select our core KPI target from scratch. QuickBooks gives you a complete library of data source templates to choose from, like expenses, current ratio, and net profit. Because we want to monitor our absolute immediate liquidity health today, go ahead and select the Quick Ratio Template Card layout, click to highlight it, and hit Continue. Now you're inside your design workstation. Right at the top, you can select your visual layout style. For tracking financial safety patterns, a continuous trend line works beautifully to spot drops or gains over time, but you can always pick vertical bars to view independent monthly brackets. Over on the left-hand pane under the Customize section, let's lock in our formatting fields. Click into the name box and give your chart a clean title, like Quick Ratio Acid Test. Right below that, use the time period dropdown to select your timeline tracking baseline. We'll set ours to this year to date. Once your layout filters look exactly the way you want them, slide down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the bright green Add to Dashboard button. The customization panel snaps shut, and your beautiful new Live Updating Liquid Health widget is officially pinned onto your main cockpit. Now you can check your ultimate financial cushion every single time you log into your books without ever running manual calculations. If this quick charting setup guide simplified your visual dashboard layout today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.